Hey, what's up, guys? Pleasure to see you today again. You probably don't know this, but I'm not a bad person. Okay. I'm not a wicked person, okay? Whatever I know is what I'm going to teach you. Whatever I do is what I'm going to show you. Come, let me teach you how to make money on Jumia. So the first thing you do is to head over to your browser and go to the website kol.jumia.com. Once you get there, you tap on register. You're going to be given a form where you have to fill up the form, and then input your name, your email address, your country, your phone number, select the account type. Mostly just select affiliate, okay? And then paste your website or your social media link. You could use your Twitter as well. I use Twitter as a promote my products. And then after that, you just agree with the terms and condition, and then you register. And then register. Right after that, please note that you're going to have to wait for a confirmation email before you can be able to sign in. That email is going to be the approval to let you and give you access to the affiliate program. So right here, I'm logged into my account, and you can see there's a balance there. I just made a tweet 1 hour ago, and then this is the outcome. In order for you to get access to your affiliate link, you have to go to advertising and select offers. Go to Jumia e-commerce, select your country. Mine is Nigeria, and then you're going to find offers that you can promote. You can take any of this and then promote it. If anybody buys through your link, you're going to be getting a percentage for that sales. Your link is going to be found in any of the banners. Just tap on any of them, and it's going to take you to the place where you're going to find your link. Just scroll down, and then you find your link there. You can even request to shorten the URL, and Jumia is going to just carry that out for you automatically, so you don't have to paste long links, So that's all for today, guys. Enjoy your day. Make a lot of money. Do have a wonderful day. Cheers. One love.